Care and maintenance for the Model 250 E-Cleat Power Nailer. Power nailers are high-quality tools designed for installing a professional quality floor. With just a little attention to the maintenance of your tool, your power nailer will operate trouble-free and keep you running with a minimum of downtime. Unload the nails from the nail channel after every use. Check the plunger movement to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check that the nail pusher and channel are unobstructed. Use compressed air to blow away excess dirt or dust off the nailer. Wipe off tool with a clean, dry rag.